Welcome everybody to this Logicalis videocast focused on the modern data center. I am Brandon Harris. I am the Vice President of the Modern Data Center practice here at Logicalis. And today we're going to talk about specifically IBM Power. One of our goals is to help customers modernize their infrastructure and ultimately build a plan for a hybrid cloud environment. And IBM Power is one of those platforms that's still very relevant in the industry and that needs to be maintained and modernized if you want to leverage it from a hybrid cloud perspective. So today I'm joined by Paula Duggins. Paula is with Logicalis. She is one of our solution architects, and her expertise is really around IBM Power. So welcome to the call, Paula.
Thank you.
So let's jump right into the subject matter. So for those that are familiar with IBM Power, we've been anticipating IBM announcing Power 10, the next iteration of the Power platform. Can you talk about what some of the highlights of the Power 10 announcement are and some of the benefits of that new platform?
Yes, I can. For starters, the IBM Power 10 processor is engineered for agility. Capabilities are built into the hardware, making it flexible and hybrid cloud ready. Here are some of the key highlights. IBM has the first 7-nanometer chip 4-socket enterprise server, delivering extreme per-core performance. Up to 240 Power 10 cores, that's 25% more than Power 9 servers, which allows it to respond faster to business demands. Low energy consumption by 33% for the same workload over Power 9. Up to 64 terabyte of total memory, 16 terabyte per drawer. New open memory interface DIMMs that provide increased bandwidth, 400 gigabyte per second per socket. Memory encryption at the processor level to support end-to-end security across private and public clouds, protecting data from core to cloud. In-core AI inferencing and machine learning allows for streamlining insights and automation. 5 times faster AI than Power 9. It can run AI where the data resides. And last but not least, the new PCIe Gen 5 capable slots, making the future available today.
Wonderful. That's awesome. That's a lot of new technology built into a platform. So if I'm an existing Power customer, be it Power 9, 8, 7, whatever particular level I'm at, when should a customer consider moving to Power 10, and how can we as Logicalis help them make that decision?
Well, the customer should consider moving to Power 10 if they are currently running on Power 8 or older servers, especially Power 7 and older, because all those servers have reached end of service with very limited support. Power 10 technology has more capacity per core, which reduces the data center footprint and lowers energy consumption by 33%. The customer would also save on software license fees, as well as savings on their hardware maintenance and software maintenance. By moving to Power 10, they would get continued support for their OS and firmware upgrades going forward. And not to mention, Power 10 is hybrid cloud ready. Customers can decide what data to move to the cloud and how soon. Now, Logicalis can help by having our account executives and/or solution architects have a discussion around Power 10. We will gather information about your current environment and provide a TCO analysis, a total cost of ownership analysis, which is a very detailed side-by-side comparison of your older servers to the new Power 10. We can also do demos and POCs, which are proof of concepts.
Great, that's awesome. And so you kind of hit on it there, but you said the Power 10 is hybrid cloud ready. So how does that, by modernizing their Power environment and getting it into a platform that is hybrid cloud ready, how can that play into their overall hybrid cloud strategy?
Well, I think most customers realize that the future is hybrid cloud. According to a study from IDC, 90% of enterprises will be using a mix of clouds by 2022. And a recent survey from IDC found that 50% of workloads will remain on-prem. So a significant portion of business will be a combination of private and public cloud environments. As stated earlier, Power 10 is hybrid cloud ready. This generation of servers is designed to make technology consumption a frictionless experience. With dynamic capacity and enterprise pools 2.0, businesses can purchase pay-as-you-use capacity that will be deployed across several Power 10 servers, creating an on-prem cloud. The servers share resources within the same pool, only paying by minute for resources when used. This allows customers to quickly scale up or down to optimize cost while quickly adapting to unknown business demands.
Awesome. And in addition to the on-prem dynamic capacity, there's also the opportunity to leverage IBM's Power VS environment, or Logicalis has our own Power Cloud specifically for those System I workloads. So if you are a customer that's looking for more of a hybrid model, Logicalis can bring a lot of expertise to the table in that area. So finally, Paula, just, we want to thank IBM for sponsoring our call today. Maybe you can talk a little bit about our relationship with IBM and our expertise that we have from an IBM perspective.
Yes, I sure can. To start, Logicalis and IBM have had a 20+ year global partnership. We have collaborated for over 20 years in over 26 countries. Logicalis is an IBM Platinum partner with over 200 global certifications across the entire IBM portfolio. We have the ability to address IBM Power as a whole strategy, including on-prem solutions, Power Cloud, private cloud, public cloud, dynamic capacity, and enterprise pools 2.0. And as you said before, Logicalis also offers our own Power Cloud and managed services. As you can see, we have the ability to provide a complete IBM solution from IBM Power servers, storage, software, and services. Please contact Logicalis for all of your IBM needs. Thank you.
Great. No, thank you, Paula, and I appreciate you joining me today. With that, we thank you for taking the time to listen to our video cast today. Hopefully you picked up a few nuggets of information there about our relationship with IBM and all the great technology that's built into the new Power 10 platform. Like Paula said, if you'd like to learn more, contact us. You can reach us on our website at www.us.logicalis.com. With that, I thank you and have a great day.